Baby girl, roll down your window. I love to see your hair float when the wind blow.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing this Outre melted hairline wig. It is a synthetic wig and this is also my first synthetic wig, so I'm excited. I'm just showing y'all the packaging that it came in. I got it in the style Briallen and the color 2. This is it out of the package. Just showing y'all the lace, the hairline, the inside of the wig. It came with 3 combs and an elastic band. I'm not doing the ball cap method. I'm just gonna apply makeup to the wig in order for it to blend better, but I'm just making sure the wig is fitting how I like, and I'm gonna pin it back so I can cut the lace. I cut the lace in 4 sections to apply it. It's easier to apply when you do it in sections instead of doing it all at once. After cutting the hair in 4 sections, I'm applying alcohol to my hairline just to remove any oil. This install will be glueless. I will be using the Got2b, the high install spray. This works great. It dries really fast and it's easy to remove. All you need is water. I put the wig directly into where I sprayed the Got2b and I blow dried for about 5 minutes. Now I'm cutting the lace off. I use an eyebrow razor just to get that jagged look instead of using scissors. I am loving this wig. I'm already knowing when I take this elastic band off, it's gonna be laid. And I'm just going back, well, right now I'm going back in with my Got2b for my sideburns because they were still up. After adding more Got2b, I'm gonna go in with my elastic band just to give that melted look. We're gonna make sure our sideburns are down. Then I blow dry my hair for about 8 minutes. I do half on cool and then half on hot heat. I feel like using the cool just makes the hair melt so much more. I don't know, it just does something. Okay, I'm about to take the elastic band off. Do y'all see how good this lace looks? Now I'm doing my edges. I didn't want anything too dramatic, so y'all gonna see me do some simple edges, and y'all also gonna see that it took me a while to do this, but patience is key, so just take your time and do your edges however you like. Okay, now I'm about to go in with my wax stick just to get rid of all of those flyaways, make the hair lay really flat at the top. I did go ahead and cut the ends of the hair because they were very thin compared to the rest of the wig, so I just wanted everything to be thick all around. I decided to cut some like little layers, not really. I just decided to cut the front a little bit. If you know me, you know I love scissors. Okay, now I'm gonna just let y'all watch. Okay, so on the paper it says this wig is supposed to be able to take 400 degrees worth of heat, but I didn't even need to add heat. I was just going through and adding curls with my fingers and they instantly came back. This wig is such good quality. I will be leaving the link in the description for this wig and all the products used in this video. This is the final look and I absolutely love it. If you enjoyed this video, if you want to see more like this, subscribe down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you all for watching.